Well, welcome to Top 20 Guys, folks. Today, 10th September, Sunday. Let's take a look at the market conditions, see what market look like upcoming weeks. So as we all can see right here, well, market got a rejection on a Friday at 100 SMA right here. Blue line coming in, 100 SMA. This is a daily chart, and slightly rejection because remember Friday was a option expiry, so market maker they like to ring the register, so they don't want to move too far out, too far in also either one of the directions, so they compress everybody, and bulls and bear both lose the money most likely, right? That's what they did. Went in the morning up a little bit and then push down in halfway in the middle right there. Okay, so it's kind of push it down a little bit. All right, what do you see here? MACD, folks, look like MACD is still bullish. If you look at the oscillator, we are about the zero, and the volumes are still bullish right here, but there is no squeeze coming in. All right, keep that thing in mind. So when there is no squeeze means we still in a bull territory, but sideways cycles, bullish cycles, sideways cycles. All right, so what do you see here, folks? Just like here, this was your demand zone. Now right here again we just little bounce from the demand zone on Thursday right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go little closer time frame, so explain you little so we can find some nitty gritty, see how things behaving in the market. So right now I went to one step a little closer, which is 4-hour chart. So many people will be looking at it and look like his head and shoulder pattern forming, but that would be too far out to keep in mind that is a head and shoulder. I only consider head and shoulder if this demand area right here, this is your demand right here, that demand zone which is around 440 to 60, if we break that, then we will be in the play of the head and shoulder pattern. Until then, right now we are still, the demand zone is intact. We just bounced on Thursday from demand zone, right? But this is 4-hour chart. It's not 30 minutes, it's not 5 minutes. We're gonna take a look at it into 30 minutes also. So right now let's analyze the 4-hour chart. Daily look bullish, 4 hours also look like a bullish to me. Here we have the demand zone right there, right? Okay, so we market did pull back last 5-6 days right here, as you can see MACD. So now MACD trying to curl in up a little bit, so demand is sustaining right this area. You see this demand, that demand is so, but if the market breaks the 444, I guess. Okay, we will keep it in mind. We'll go to a closer time frame right now. Right now let's skip this area, folks. This is your demand 440 to 60 area. That breaks, we could go lower. This is 4-hour time frame. Okay, until then is right now we just bounce, and we will look into 30 minutes, give you a little better view. All right, so 30 minutes, what do you see, folks? Here 30 minutes, there are a couple of things I'm noticing right here. One is right here, this is your look like a bear flag setup, right? But fake out or breakout, that's what we need to watch, because this is demand area, right? So market got some weakness, market got rejection here, and we are testing the sloping support. So market started creating sloping support from last 2 days. Yeah, if I take a look at that way. All right, so now the sloping support is, folks, what we need to watch. You see this sloping support, the support 1 2 3, and this is pre-market, folks. So we did test here and we bounce, right? So this sloping support is important. If we break the sloping support, which is around 445, so keep it in mind, 440, 460, 440, 460 area. If this breaks, then we start taking lower low, folks. Okay, so 440, so tomorrow, folks, or I'll jot it down right now. This is very important. The best way to nail it down the market, man, is very easy right there. All right, so this is 444, this area 55 cents. If this area tomorrow market breaks, man, that means we are taking lower, and we could go further lower. Okay, folks, so 43.76 area next. That next support would be, so those who are bearish, and if you're looking at this, no need to get excited, it's just a cycle. We always look at the both direction. Okay, so all right, so these are the area to look for tomorrow. to watch for the bear side. Okay, if we break this, then we're gonna go test this. So right now market this is pre-market. Okay folks, this is pre-market, so still we need to see the response in the morning and we will decide. But yeah, I just want to nail it down here. All right, now what I need to look into is to little bit 5-minute chart. Okay, just bear with me folks. Okay, wait a minute, 4-hour chart, what was it? Okay, 4-hour chart is alright, still not bad. So I'm gonna go into the 4 hours. Just a second, I'm gonna go into the 4 hours, 30 minutes. I'm gonna go into 30-minute charts right there. So smart monies are sitting right here around right here where the 445, 446 and 445. So yeah, this is critical zone between 446 and 445. Once we clear the section, then we'll be great. Now what I need wanted to explain you here is 4-hour charts. Sorry folks, I'm going in different time frame. I need to check that. So what I notice here is sloping support right here. You see this 4-hour chart, sloping support building, plus remember this cloud. Look at that cloud condition. These are 4-hour chart folks. Okay, so when you see these beads are, look at the cloud, looks still bullish folks. So we are trying to bounce from the cloud plus demand. Yep, look at that. So this is bullish. All right, but no need to celebrate. It's just a early indication folks. Okay, so we'll see. So demand area confirming that bullishness, cloud is confirming still bullish, and this is 4 hours. This is not 30 minutes, so that it has a more strength over 30. 4 hour has a more strength over 30 minutes. All right, so that's why it's looking slightly bullish on it. Now let's look more into 30 minutes. So this bear flag, absolutely bears are looking at this bear flag and probably, but breakout, fake out, we need to watch. Clouds are still at the support and see if that bounce and we could go higher. Now even if the market bounce folks, this area is critical, 446.44, right? This area market need to, these are the resistance area. So market need to break that in order to be bullish. Until then, so most likely Monday folks is a new week starts, right? So market maker always try to attract bulls and bear both, right? So it can be possible folks, so that can we might test that. Let's see tomorrow. Okay, so that is a bull side scenario. All right, keep that thing in mind. So in this area tomorrow, resistance 446.46, we break that, we will be like to go higher on it. Then we look into the 5 minutes. Actually just a little bit I need to see. So 5-minute chart. All right, so folks, I don't look at the futures, I don't look at those, and I don't that's not me. I don't trust those are people can do the projections and plan it out. For me is real data. I need to see pretty much when market opens up, those are the real data. All right, so what do you see here? 5-minute chart, market closed here. Look at the perfect closeout market right there, and then perfect bounce around 330 right here. You see that? So this was a beautiful bounce from there too. Okay, so we are right there, and then we sell enough right now. Okay, so these are pre-market conditions. So looks like folks, this is, we are in a critical junction right now. If you ask me, the $1 junction is 446 and 446.46 and 444.46. So right, that's $2 junction. We are right there in that junction to get out of it. These junctions is very, very critical folks. Okay, this $2 junction. So most likely we need to give, once we train leaves, so maybe we should give a few days folks. Okay, I never know, maybe it happen tomorrow, let's see, but tomorrow could be critical. So let's point what I'm trying to explain you here is folks, we don't want to jump in any bandwagon first. If the market has not a great setup for the direction, sizes has to be smaller. We don't want to go fast. Let the market maker go first. Those are the area where we need to be pull out ourselves. Even all the stocks, what you buy, what you trade, right? Everything you need to wait and watch. Let them go first on Monday. Let them decide. Okay, that's how I think. Once the market goes, market first. If the market goes to the moon tomorrow, then many stock goes. If the market dump tomorrow, and you think my stock gonna go to the moon, then forget about it, folks. Okay, then don't look at just the event that, oh, Apple earned event coming in iPhone 15 on Tuesday, let me jump in and blah blah, and that's not the way to do it, folks. If the market is in a sell mode and Apple event coming in, Apple also go with it down. Yes, exactly. So that's the reason I said yep. But absolutely, folks, there will be a great event coming in on Tuesday, and I'm sure Apple might come up. So if you ask me, folks, I did test myself Apple Bionic chip as well as Apple M2 chip. They have a solid technology, folks, right now. Okay, with the Apple chip, the processing chip they have is way faster, folks. Okay, so is as good as nvda has it. So, and can Apple chip can handle AI language? Probably, most likely it might be able to, because it has a power. Is they, as you can see, I'm using the M2 chip, Ultra M2 chip. They are really powerful chips. It manages a lot of stuff. So absolutely, folks. I mean, that might be a good event, and I'm sure Apple might come up with something tomorrow with the iPhone 15 made in India. iPhone made in India, iPhone 15 first time. So yeah, exactly. So there will be a lot of things coming up this week. This week might create some sort of things. Okay. So we will. So keep posting, folks. So those who wants to join the WhatsApp group, folks, WhatsApp group is fully. We have thousands of people here, folks. So if you want to join the group right here, every time, folks, you can join. But it's jam packed, folks, here, folks. So you got to request and see if there is any availability. Somebody leaves, then you can join the group. But yes, YouTube, folks, join on YouTube, Top Trading Edge. Type it in. It's free of charge. And all these live streams every day I go 9:30 to 4 p.m. right here. Type it in, Top Trading Edge, and you can join me morning 9:30 to 4 p.m. every day, market open, right? And all the videos I post here too, market update videos, and some short I take whenever I get time. I post those things. But join, folks, okay? And I do teach classes, folks. So if you want to join the community, yeah, please join. Request right here is the number. You can request WhatsApp group right here. Okay, how to join a WhatsApp group right here. Boom, boom, boom. You can scan this code and see if that works. You can use the camera, open it up and scan, and request to join the WhatsApp group if there is a space available. Definitely we try to accommodate people. Okay, mostly people who are from US and Canada. All right. So apart from that, folks, I think so we just need to let the market maker decide tomorrow morning, Monday morning, and because we are in the junctions of if I want to keep it in mind for tomorrow alone itself. But that's the demand zone, as I mentioned, demand zone, cloud zone. So it might probably look like there is a bounce. All right. So see you guys tomorrow morning, 9:30. Thank you, everybody. Bye.